Hey dear friends, welcome to India, which is known as land of knowledge. India is a country with its vast diversity in culture, heritage and its features, etc. It is unique by its nature when compared to the different countries of the world. It has the largest democracy in the world with 135.26 crores of people. It has the largest written constitution in the world. 2 years, 11 months, 16 days are taken to write our constitution under the guidance of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. 284 members worked on constitution to make it more successful, but there are only 8 members in the drafting committee. India is a federal parliamentary constituted republic. It has 3 branches: executive, legislature and judiciary. It has 2 chambers, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Constitution is supreme law of India. This is a documentary which explains about fundamental rights, directive principles, powers, structure, responsibilities or duties of citizens and rights of citizens. In 1928, the All Parties Conference convened a committee in Lucknow to prepare the Constitution of India, which was known as the Nehru Report. Most of the colonial India was under the British rule from 1857 to 1947. From 1947 to 1950, the same legislation continued to be implemented as India was a dominant of British for these 3 years, as each princely state was convinced by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to sign the Article of Integration with India, and the British government continued to be responsible for the external security of the country. Thus, Constitution of India repealed the Indian Independence Act 1947 and Government of India 1935 when it became effective on 26th January 1950. India ceased to be a dominant of British Crown and became a sovereign democratic republic with the Constitution. Articles 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 324, 366, 367, 379, 380, 388, 391, 392, 393 and the 394 of the Constitution came into force on 26th November 1949 and the remaining articles came effective on 26th January 1950. Now let us look at the preamble. The Constitution of India Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individuals and the unity and the integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th of November 1949, do hurriedly adapt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks for listening to this video. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can do more videos with your motivation. And also like and share this video with your relatives and friends. Once again, thank you all.